Hello guys, today I want to show you how you can solve a common problem to all iPhone users, which is once you record a video, it shows the video has no sound, especially when you upload to your YouTube channel or when you send to your friend through WhatsApp. In your phone, the sound is there is a sound, but in the phone of your friend or when you play it in your laptop, there is no sound. So I want to show you how you can easily solve that problem. You just need to download a simple application which is known as RFV. This application is available in App Store. You go and download the application, and once you download it, you can easily use that application. For example, you will have to go to the video which you have screen recorded from your iPhone, which is stored in your camera roll. From here, for example, this is my video which have the problem is the video which has the 140 minute. So I have to go to first RFV. From RFV, I will go to the camera. You see here there is reset this side, but the other side there is the camera where it shows upload, so you click that one. So then you click video. From video you can go to camera roll. So from the camera roll you see all the videos which you have in your camera roll, and from here you can select the video which have the problem of no sound. For me, I will click this one, which is the video which has the problem, and then select. After your video is available in RFV application, you click save. There is a save on the far side of the application, so you click save, and then from save you see there is this process. It's processing. This process will go up to 100%. Where when it is complete, we can wait until it can be complete. So I show you the next step. This application is very awesome and very good. It will solve this problem. Hopefully for me it has solved, and I'm also hoping that it will solve for you. It is now coming to an end.